You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this phrase? Refers to the Celtic concept of the soul friend in religion and spirituality. It's the name of a book as well. In Irish, Anam Cara, Anam Cara. So in English, it is simply referred to as Anam, meaning soul, friend, meaning, or Cara, meaning dear or friend. Anam Cara, Anam Cara. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.